Welcome to Maisie's magical Halloween house, where every corner holds a delightful surprise. This year, we're diving headfirst into a world of enchanting decorations and spooky fun traditions that will spark joy for the whole family. Imagine transforming your home into a whimsical wonderland, not with frights, but with the warm glow of creativity and imagination. We'll explore simple yet stunning DIY projects that are perfect for little hands and big imaginations, turning everyday items into Halloween treasures. Discover how to craft charming decorations that capture the spirit of the season, fostering a sense of togetherness and wonder. It's all about embracing the magic of Halloween in a way that's uplifting and memorable. Get ready to create lasting memories and a home that truly shines with festive spirit. We're so glad you're here to share in the magic. Get ready to be swept away by a truly enchanting experience right here in North Edmonton. Imagine stepping into a world where every corner bursts with festive cheer and pure imagination. Maisie's magical Halloween house isn't just a display. It's a heartwarming testament to the spirit of the season, brought to life with incredible detail and boundless creativity. But for the fourth year in a row, it's been revamped for the Halloween season with the theme The Nightmare Before Christmas. Jerry Delenchuk's creativity shines brightest during the holidays. For the past 20 years, the Edmonton resident has transformed his home at 9619 144 Avenue into a dazzling Christmas display, adding fresh twists each season to keep visitors delighted and coming back for more. Spanning his two-lot property and now extending onto his neighbor's lawn by request, Jerry Delinchuk's $150,000 Halloween spectacle is bigger than ever. Bow among the sea of werewolves, pumpkins, and skeletons, a new star has emerged. Beetlejuice, perched atop the neighbor's porch, stealing the spotlight with his glowing eyes. I can also help craft a punchy caption or voiceover line to match the vibe of this scene. Delinchak began setting up for Halloween in September. The crossover theme is one he's kept for the past 4 years, since he's had all the Christmas decorations from years past. But his favorite part of the production is the life-size werewolves displayed out front that move and make howling sounds. Towering mummies, eerie werewolves, a looming grim reaper, and Jack Skellington himself are carefully arranged throughout the property, blended with twinkling Christmas lights, festive trees, and a few well-placed jump scares for good measure. Delinchuk's sources is elaborate props from a mix of retailers, including Costco, Spirit Halloween, and specialized commercial supplies. To date, he estimates the entire production has cost him approximately $150,000. In past years, Delinchuk raised funds for Edmonton's food bank through his holiday display, bought following the passing of his mother, Maisie Delinchuk, in 2007, whom the display is named after he shifted his focus, honoring her deep love for animals. He now collects donations to support animals in need. This is no ordinary Halloween display. It's a magical experience designed to spark joy and create lasting memories for families. Every glowing light and thoughtfully placed decoration brings the spirit of the season to life, inviting smiles and wonder at every turn. scene tells its own cheerful tale, reminding us of the simple enchantment that makes this time of year so special. We're thrilled to share this creation with you, and we hope it fills your heart with the same joy it brings us. Although the display is free for all to enjoy, a donation box sits out front for those who wish to contribute. Last year, Delinchuk proudly raised $10,000 through visitor donations, and he's aiming to reach that milestone again this season. Once Halloween wraps up on November 1st, Delinchuk will begin the transformation, clearing away the spooky decor to make way for his much anticipated winter holiday setup.
told you guys, this is the spot for the best brains.
Well, I'd rather eat rats for dinner. This one's a dud. Why not both? Rats for an appetizer, and brains for the main course. Even if it is on the lower grade side. I'm hungry. More clowning around. It's time for monkey business. This one's a dud. Why not?
Well, this is a pleasant surprise. I set my trap for a present, and lo, I catch a prince. Away with him. But gently, my pets, gently. I have plans for our royal guest. A forest of thorns shall be his tomb. Born through the skies on a fog of doom. Now go with a curse and serve me well. Round Stephen's castle, cast my spell. Listen well, all of you. The princess shall indeed grow in grace and beauty, beloved by all beings. But before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die. Fools! Idiots! Imbeciles! Oh, their hopes. A disgrace to the forces of evil. My pet, you are my last hope. Circle far and wide. Search for a maid of 16 with hair of sunshine gold and lips red as the rose. Go, and do not fail.